Hi, hello, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be about me installing this frontal wig over my locks. I will be guiding you throughout the steps on what we have to do on how to really install it. This is my second time installing a wig on my head actually, and I think I'm getting the hang of it, you know. But the first thing I will do is roll the hair back, and now I'm going to put a rubber band at the back so it can be more secure. Next, I'm going to add the edge control around the perimeter of my head so that all the baby hairs can slick back, you know, so they don't be in the way. I don't already have much of a big forehead, so yeah. Now here I'm going to put the ball cap on my head to cover both sides of my ears. Make sure that both ends are tucked to the bottom so it can hook to the bottom of the ears. Now this next step is really straightforward on me spraying the holding spray on the edges so it can hold this ball cap down. And yeah, just watch as I do my thing for this part. And you want to make sure the dryer is on warm, not too cold, not too hot, but nice and warm so you could get that nice melted ball cap look. Okay, now you're going to use any makeup or foundation or concealer that best suits your skin as you put on any frontal. This will not necessarily have to go on the whole ball cap now. It depends on the style and which parting of hair that you're going for. But I just prefer to put it all through the front of my hair. And as for now, I'm cutting off the excess ball cap that I don't need. Now from here, you're going to use any alcohol you have close on there to remove the excess residue from your forehead, grease, buildup, or any other extra oils that you don't need, so that your lace could be laid and don't lift like 2 days after. That's not like 2 days. You know what I mean. So just make sure that area is nice and clean. Now from here I'm going to add my first layer of glue. This is a holding glue what I got off Amazon, which is very, very good. On this part is coming up that you will notice I've used a makeup brush to smooth out the glue at the edges of my hair. I like it that way because it gives it a nice finish, you know, so it could be spread equally throughout the cap and a half a perimeter of my head.
I like the way your body's moving closer, dance to the beat until the night is over. Take it all out. Make you sing. Make your phone so everything's begin. My mama always told me nothing's so free. She's got good and saving. I put it all on the table. Spend all that's left. Ain't no way that I'm caving. One hand on the wheel, driving with one hand on my knee. I look in his eyes, but there is something I don't see. Late at night, chasing the heights. Me alive, no other bite. I'm for your life, nowhere to hide. body's moving closer. Just to the beat until the night is over. Take it all. Make you sing. Make your phone so if it keeps begin. My mama always told me nothing's so free. She's right, but I'm saving. I put it all on the table. Spend all that's left. Ain't no way that I'm caving. One hand on the wheel, driving with one hand on my knee. I look in his eyes, but there is something I don't see. Late at night, chasing the high, neon lights.
and subscribe if you enjoyed this little, like it's no good. What you call it? I knew this. I'm kind of shy, so I just wanted to introduce myself. Hope you like and subscribe to this video. Hope you enjoy this video.